Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing when your screen automatically turns off on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Power and Battery. In Power and Battery settings, you will see the option for the screen turning off. You can set a different time or set it to never. This will stop your screen from going black. You can also have different settings for if your laptop is on battery or plugged in. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.